time doing what I've shown. Never be, never see, won't see what might have been.